Thank you so much for this question. My course is different because it gives you a daily schedule to follow. It teaches you how to create a study environment, how to structure your studying, how to handle your test anxiety. I do bi-monthly coaching calls with you. I also am available over email. I also help you to figure out strategy and critical thinking. I, of course, have lecture content. I have study guides. There's no subscription. Once you pay one time, you have lifetime access. And here's what it looks like on the inside. Each section will have a video and printouts to go with it, but let's go up here and talk about the actual schedule. So here we go. What to do every single day. Studying for 2 hours is ideal. That's how I want you to do it. You start every day with the meditation video. You open the test bank. You have 3 printouts in front of you that you are going to utilize when you're doing the practice questions, and you do a very specific breathing exercise every 5 questions. Then you move on to lecture content and the study guides. This is how I want you to set your alarms and break up your schedule studying time. Now, I also go over how to prepare the day before, the day of. Here is the lecture content that you're going to be going through, separated into the categories of the NCLEX. And then here are the study guides. This is nursing school review. I want to make sure that you know everything that you were supposed to learn from school. Test anxiety section, 3 of these videos you're going to do every single day to create new habits. This is where the live calls go that I do with you twice a month. They're uploaded within 24 hours. And then here's some guidance after you pass. This is what makes my course different.